I've carefully laid out the center line where the sliding dovetails go, and with these same blocks that I used to space the routing jig, I've got the center line marked, and I can line that center line up, and that will make sure that I have the jig mounted on the boards the right way. And I've marked stop and start lines, and I'll start with a 1/4 inch router bit. And I'm going to follow up with the dovetail bit. Having this little space in the middle gives me a convenient starting point. With the first drawer guide sliding dovetail piece routed, I can move on and do the second, and then the third. Finish the groove with the 14-degree dovetail bit. With the dovetail grooves routed, I can move on to the next step, forming the drawer guides.